Welcome to the best pick. The best SUV Sunshades is probably one of the most essential accessories for any car owner, especially during scorching summer months, as it effectively shields your vehicle's interior from harmful UV rays, preventing premature fading and cracking of dashboards and upholstery, while also significantly reducing cabin temperature, making your driving experience more comfortable and protecting your investment from the damaging effects of prolonged sun exposure. Number 5. Magnelex Double-Layer Car Windshield Sunshade. Experience superior heat rejection with our innovative double-layer design. It provides twice the protection, keeping your car significantly cooler. Shield your car's interior from harmful UV rays. This protects against fading and cracking, ensuring your car stays looking new. Enjoy a perfect, snug fit on your windshield. This design eliminates light leaks for maximum heat reduction and protection. Feel the difference the moment you get back in your car. It stays noticeably cooler, making every drive more comfortable. When not in use, simply fold it and store it in the included bag. It's convenient for both short trips and long-term storage. Our large sunshade measures 63 by 33.8 inches, offering effective coverage for most vehicles. Find the perfect fit for your car. What we like. This one offers superior heat rejection with its double-layer design. If you're looking for maximum heat blocking and UV protection to keep your car significantly cooler, this is a great choice. It ensures a snug fit, minimizing light leaks for enhanced performance. What people say. It makes a massive difference in lowering the internal temperature. It was a lifesaver during the hottest months last summer, and I'm still using it every day. It hasn't started to fray or lose its pop when you open it. It is still in great shape after months of being folded and unfolded daily. The Sunshield did in fact fully cover the windshield in my Highlander. I was able to block out all of the sunlight, except for a small patch by the rear view mirror. Number 4. BDK USA American Flag Curved Accordion Sun Visor. Display your patriotic spirit while safeguarding your vehicle's interior. This sunshade fits most personal vehicles, using the rear-view mirror for support and tapered edges for a snug fit. Avoid excessive heat and maintain a cool interior, even on the hottest days. It effectively reduces interior temperatures by blocking damaging UV rays, ensuring a comfortable experience. This sunshield features a design that is both flexible and sturdy, allowing for easy setup and quick folding. It can even be used on both sides for versatile protection. Installation is incredibly simple, just unfold and place it on your windshield. No tools are needed, making it a quick and convenient sun protection solution. Crafted from high-grade materials, this premium auto shade offers superior durability and performance. It provides excellent UV protection and reduces interior heat for enhanced comfort. Designed to fit most cars, SUVs, trucks, and minivans. Its universal design ensures a secure fit, making it a practical choice for various vehicles. What we like. Show your patriotism while protecting your vehicle with this unique design. If you want to celebrate holidays like the 4th of July or Memorial Day and keep your car cool, this is the perfect accessory. Its curved accordion style offers a snug fit for most vehicles. What people say. This BDK windshield sunshade is the best one I have ever purchased. By far. It is stiff enough to keep its shape when putting it into the windshield, but flexible enough to easily fold up to store when not in use. This one fits my 2023 Mazda CX-30 perfectly. You can't go wrong here, and if this one ever fails, I will certainly replace it with another one just like it. This is the best sunshade I have ever owned. I literally could tell the difference inside my truck while using this compared to the others I have used in the past. This looks great and fits my truck windshield perfectly. 16 Ram 2500. Quality product at a super price. Love the logo and durability so far. Number 3. BDK Iridescent Mermaid Car Windshield Sunshade. This sunshade is designed to fit most personal vehicles. It uses the rear-view mirror for support, and its tapered edges ensure a snug fit. Avoid excessive heat and keep your car's interior cool on sunny days. It can reduce interior temperatures by 30 to 50 degrees, providing a more comfortable ride. This accessory helps increase the lifespan of your vehicle's dashboard, electronics, and other interior components. Its unique design simplifies application and repositioning. With a dual-layer bubble design, it offers maximum protection for your vehicle's interior. It keeps your seats and steering wheel cool by blocking harmful UV rays. The foldable accordion design allows for easy setup and storage. It can be propped up with ease and folded away with a hook and loop closure. This sunshade is reversible and can be used on both sides, offering the same great protection. Enjoy consistent coverage no matter which way you orient it. What we like. Add a touch of unique style to your car's interior with this eye-catching iridescent design. If you're looking for a sunshade that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing, this is it. Its dual-layer bubble design provides excellent UV protection and keeps your interior cool. What people say. It's not as bright as the picture shows, however, I find that even better because it's still iridescent but not tacky. Height-wise, it fit my 2024 Kia K5 GT perfectly and I just dropped the sun visors down to hold it in place. The mirror cutout is also perfect. Provides excellent coverage of windshield and blocks out the sun. The quality of the sunshade is really good, it has a nice thick material. Also, the sunshade also folds easy. There has been a noticeable difference in temperature in the car when I get in. It's still hot, of course, but not to the point of barely being able to breathe anymore. It's lightweight, protects the car from the sun, folds up nicely and stores nicely in between my seats, under the seat, or behind the seat where I can grab it easily and not be in any other passenger's way too much. Number 2. Iridescent Matte White Accordion Folding Windshield Sunshade. This sunshade is designed to fit most personal vehicles. It uses the rear-view mirror for support and has tapered edges for a snug fit. Avoid excess heat and keep your car's interior cool on sunny days. It can reduce interior temperatures by 30 to 50 degrees and blocks harmful UV rays. This shade helps increase the lifespan of your vehicle's dashboard, electronics, and screens. Its unique design makes it easy to apply and reposition. Featuring a dual-layer bubble design, it offers maximum protection for your interior. It keeps your seats and steering wheel cool by blocking heat and UV radiation. The accordion design allows for easy setup and fold-away storage with a hook and loop closure. It's reversible and can be used on both sides for the same great protection. What we like. This sunshade offers a sleek, matte white finish combined with effective UV protection. If you prefer a minimalist aesthetic while still ensuring your car's interior stays cool and protected from sun damage, this is an excellent option. Its reversible design adds to its versatility. What people say. Height-wise, it fit my 2024 Kia K5 GT perfectly and I just dropped the sun visors down to hold it in place. The mirror cutout is also perfect. Provides excellent coverage of windshield and blocks out the sun. The quality of the sunshade is really good, it has a nice thick material. It's lightweight, protects the car from the sun, folds up nicely and stores nicely in between my seats, under the seat, or behind the seat where I can grab it easily and not be in any other passenger's way too much. Number 1. HELLOLEIBOO Car Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. Experience the 2026 upgrade with our new windshield sunshade. Its advanced 5-layer coating effectively blocks 99% of harmful UV rays, keeping your car's interior protected and cool. Built with 8 reinforced fiberglass ribs, this sunshade offers exceptional durability and flexibility. It's designed to bend without breaking, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting use. Enjoy effortless adjustment with its 360 degrees rotating shaft for any windshield angle. The innovative butterfly design provides complete coverage, instantly shading your car and enhancing heat insulation. Measuring 57x32, it's designed for most mid-size sedans and compact SUVs. Please check the dimensions before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. Setting up and storing this sunshade is a breeze thanks to its foldable umbrella design. It comes with a convenient storage bag, easily fitting into your glove box or trunk. Keep your car significantly cooler, even on the hottest days. This shade reduces heat buildup and protects your interior from sun damage, preventing fading and cracking. What we like. Experience ultimate convenience and protection with this innovative umbrella-style sunshade. If you're looking for quick deployment and a compact storage solution, this is ideal. Its 5-layer coating provides exceptional UV blocking, and the durable fiberglass frame ensures a secure fit. What people say. The sunshades are a perfect fit for my SUV windshield, effectively blocking out the sun and keeping the interior cool. These sunshades are very easy to install and remove, folding up compactly for storage when not in use. The material is durable and seems like it will hold up well over time, providing excellent UV protection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.